Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Eurovision Expert Advisor. It's a multi-strategy EURUSD system that runs 10 different approaches side by side rather than relying on one setup. So a quick note before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Now, Eurovision is built for MetaTrader 5. Okay, so let's just quickly walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Saurav Chatterjee and it's currently in version 4.4 with 5 activations. It is priced at just $35 US. All right, and the tagline sums up the pitch: one pair, 10 strategies, one clean trade plan. Okay, so according to the description, Eurovision is built specifically for EURUSD on the H1 chart, running a diversified basket of independent strategies that each look at price action, momentum, volatility, and mean reversion from a different angle, trading around the clock when conditions line up. So the page highlights a few specific selling points: multi-strategy diversification, so no single losing setup dominates results; built-in daily loss, drawdown, and profit target guards aimed at prop firm rule compliance; and a news filter that uses the native MT5 economic calendar to pause around high impact events. There are 3 money management modes to choose from. Okay, and they include the fixed lot, the percent of balance or percent of equity. All right, and the dashboard showing live status, open trades, equity high watermark, current drawdown, and session profit. All right, the page is also explicit that there is no grid and no martingale. Every trade carries its own stop loss and take profit and is managed independently. Now, on the strategy types themselves, the page describes 4 broad approaches working together. We have the trend following breakouts or out of consolidation, momentum continuation, riding short-term thrusts, mean reversion entries, on stretched pullbacks, and volatility expansion entries when a range compresses before a bigger move. So each signal is filtered by session timing and the news calendar before it's allowed to fire. Okay, the recommended setup is EURUSD on the H1 time frame, a hedging type, MT5 account, minimum leverage of 1:30 with 1:100 or higher recommended, and attaching it to just one EURUSD H1 chart. Now on the inputs, there is the money management mode selector, fixed lot size, risk percent per trade, a minimum lot floor, spread and news filter controls, and the prop firm security settings covering daily loss and profit limits and maximum equity drawdown. So now here is something important that the developer states directly on the page, and it is worth passing on before we look at the backtest. The prop firm security module, which the prop firm security module with its daily loss, profit, and drawdown guards only operates in live trading and is explicitly not active during backtest. So any drawdown we see in this test reflects the EA without that live only protection layer running. So now let's just get to the historical testing. Let's head over to our historical testing. I ran this test on a $10,000 account on EURUSD on the H1 time frame, covering January through July 2026, about 7 months, with full history quality. Okay, so the total net profit for that period came out to $113, and a modest small result relative to the account size. So breaking that down, the gross profit was $802 against a gross loss of $688.9, given a profit factor of 1.16. Maximum drawdown was very contained, that's under 1% in both balance and equity terms. Now, out of 211 total trades, only around 39% were profitable. It's a win rate below half, but the largest single winning trade at $20.68 was roughly double the largest single losing trade at $11, approximately $11. Okay, so which is part of why the account still finished ahead despite winning less often than it lost. Okay, so now looking at the graph very quickly, you will see that most of the times the equity was above the balance during this test period, quite a good number of times, a good duration. You can see that the green line being the equity was substantially above the balance, showing floating profit. But there are times too when the equity was below the balance, showing floating loss. And then this was a very slow growth. You can see no steep rise. It was just a gradual growth over time, very slow growth over time. So now, to wrap up, based on the available information, Eurovision produced a small low drawdown result in this test, with a win rate under 50%, offset by generally larger wins than losses. It's consistent with the independently managed, no grid, no martingale approach described on the page. So keep in mind that the prop firm protection features were not active in this backtest, so live behavior around daily loss limits would look different. Okay, so I'm going to recommend testing over a longer period and confirming how the prop firm guards behave specifically in live or demo conditions before relying on them. All right, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.